Is your audio inputs and outputs missing from Device Manager? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. If the audio inputs and outputs option is missing from Device Manager in Windows 11, here is how you will get it back. Here, we have discussed almost all the possible reasons so that you can relate them and find the solution accordingly. If the audio inputs and outputs option is missing from Device Manager in Windows, follow this video. Let's get started. Method 1. Show hidden devices. Device Manager allows you to show or hide various devices according to your requirements. On the other hand, it hides a few devices at times when that is not in use for general purposes. That is why it is suggested to enable the hidden devices in Device Manager. For that, do the following. Press Win+X and select Device Manager from the list. Go to View and click on the Show Hidden Devices option. After that, check if the audio inputs and outputs option is available or not. Method 2. Reinstall audio driver. If your computer was attacked by malware, adware, Trojan, or something else that removed your audio driver or corrupted it, there is a high chance of getting this problem in Device Manager. That is why it is suggested to reinstall the audio driver. If you cannot find the audio device in the Device Manager, you can certainly find and uninstall the existing version of your audio driver if you use the software uninstaller tool. Once you uninstall it, it is time to download the original driver from the official website only. It is highly recommended not to use any third-party resource unless or until it is very trusted. If you want to download the Realtek audio driver, visit realtek.com. Similarly, if you have another audio driver, visit the respective official website only. Method 3. Run Audio Troubleshooter. You can use the Get Help app to run the Audio Troubleshooter in Windows PC. For that, open the Get Help app first, then type Troubleshoot Audio Issues and hit the Enter button. Click on the Yes button to go ahead. Next, go through the screen options until it finishes the process. Once done, restart your computer and check if the audio inputs and outputs option is back in the Device Manager or not. Method 4. Restart Windows Audio Service. Windows Audio Service is responsible for all the audio-related work in the Windows programs. If the service has some issues, it may reflect on the Device Manager as well. Therefore, restart the Windows Audio Service to get it resolved. For that, do this. Press Win+R, type services.msc and hit Enter. Double-click on the Windows Audio Service and click the Stop button if it is already running. Choose the Automatic option from the Startup Type list. Click the Start button. Click on the OK button. Method 5. Unplug and plug in audio devices. At times, this problem may arise due to faulty hardware. Therefore, you can plug your audio device and re-plug it in. However, as you can do it only if you have an external device. Follow it only if you have a desktop computer. Method 6. Enable audio devices. Press Win+I to open the Windows Settings panel. Go to the System Down, then Sound. Head to the Output section and click on Speakers. If you find the Allow button, click on it. However, if the Don't Allow option is visible, there is nothing to do. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.